As you begin to leverage the open talent ecosystem, a few great things happen. Number one, you develop this virtual talent bench that allows you to backfill any talent or skills gap in days, not weeks, not months, like you do in traditional talent acquisition.
Sure.
But I believe the most important benefit, and you can see it from this graphic right here, is that when you take this new digital approach to sourcing talent through platforms like Upwork, your core of full-time team members remains steady through ups and downs. As you can see on the right here, this world you're building is not only bigger, it's more agile. A lot of people have talked to me about this concept of headcount creep. I don't know if you've heard about this before, but headcount creep is when during a recession or during a crisis, you hire freeze, or maybe you even trim some of the workforce, usually B minus C players, and you pretty much get to the perfect size of agile but effective. And then what happens, Seth? Growth kicks in, you feel a lot of pressure. What do? You add back a bunch of headcount, and all of a sudden now you become bloated as an organization. You can't pivot when things change. And most importantly, your cost structure is fixed. To quote one of my favorite marketing professors in the world, Professor Galloway, he says that during a time like this, cash flow is great for survival purposes, but the real gangster move is to have a variable cost structure.
Thanks for stopping in and watching this video. If you found it helpful, you can find others just like it at the link below, and subscribe while you're at it.